Now, I'm not trying to be dramatic with the title of this video. This really is the one thing that is stopping most people from getting rich. And if you can just fix this one thing, I guarantee that you will see success so much easier and quicker than you are right now. But here's the thing. It isn't some secret hack or tactic or business model that people are using to get rich and you just don't know about it. In fact, there are a gazillion different ways to make money and a gazillion different business models that you can actually succeed with. Whether that would be an agency, starting an e-com brand, doing affiliate marketing, or even just some more traditional local businesses like opening up a gym, a hair salon, starting a restaurant, or even different software businesses. The fact is that they can all work as long as you work. And the way that you get yourself to work is by fixing this one thing that I'm going to explain in this video. And the reason why I can say this is because I was held back by this one thing for so long. So back when I first started my first business in 2016, I got started with the most prestigious, the most well-respected business models of all time, which was affiliate marketing. Pretty embarrassed by some of the ads and the emails that I was sending out back then, but fuck it. I was a young guy, hungry to make money, and I was told that this was the business to do it. But after I didn't see success with affiliate marketing, I went and did some ecom stuff and started looking at starting an ecom store. And then I also looked into Amazon and was thinking about starting an Amazon store. And then I basically did high ticket sales for a couple of different coaching businesses. And then I was a freelancer for some different businesses. And then I started to hire people and I started a agency. And after that, I went back to affiliate marketing and started doing some affiliate stuff for some software stuff. And then I started a coaching business. And then I went back and started an agency again. And it was only when I committed to starting this agency and growing this business that I actually started to make some good, consistent money. But again, here's the thing. It wasn't because of the business model, right? It wasn't because the agency was the best time to start at this particular time and I just got lucky with the timing. In fact, if I would have started an agency back in 2016 instead of the affiliate marketing business, I would probably be absolutely fucking balling it out right now, because back then was actually the best time, not 5 to 6 years later. Because again, it's not because of the business model. It is because this one thing, and this one thing is focus. Now I know what you're thinking. Focus isn't sexy. Focus isn't what you came here for. You came here for a switch that you could flip or a hack you could implement that is going to get you rich. But sorry to disappoint, but this is the fucking secret. Because as humans, we all have a limited amount of time and energy. And what happens is, and what I did back then was, I was basically going and starting affiliate marketing. And then I started ecom, then Amazon, then affiliate again, then freelancing, then courses, then coaching. And this is what happens. You put your time, effort, and energy into something for a little bit, but before you actually see the payoff, you get impatient, you get discouraged, and you start something else. And what happens is you fail at this, you work for this for a little bit longer, then you fail at this, then you fail at this, then you fail at this. And you basically get stuck in this vicious cycle of blaming the different business model, blaming external sources for the reason why you can't make any fucking money. But the problem, my friend, is with you. And the problem back then was with me. Because this is what happens when you focus. You have the same amount of time, effort, and energy, but instead of putting your focus in all these different things and switching every couple of months, you just commit to one business model for a 2-year period, and then boom. All your effort and energy and focus and time goes into one thing. And look how much further you can get by putting your focus into one vehicle. Because again, all of the business models work as long as you put the time, effort, and energy and focus into that one thing. But instead, you're getting caught by shiny object syndrome, and your brain is like a fucking pinball machine going from different business model to business model, shiny object to shiny object, and then you sit back and start crying and complaining that the world just isn't fair and that other people got lucky. But in fact, they didn't get lucky, they just learned how to focus. And it's the same as well, maybe if you're not even a beginner and you're starting different business models, maybe you are putting your time, effort, and energy into one business, and it's very likely if you're not seeing results, then it's because of a very similar thing. So let's just say, for example, you are a coach and you're trying to grow a coaching business or a course business. And again, you have limited time, effort, and energy, and you want to grow this business. So you start off by posting on Instagram, but then you don't really get the results. So you try Facebook ads, but then you kind of lose a bit of money. So then you start a podcast, you start a fucking YouTube channel, you start a chat bot, do email marketing, whatever it is, right? And you're trying to do a million different things to make money and get clients. And guess what? It's the same thing. You're not putting enough time, effort, and energy into one vehicle within that particular business for you to get results. And when your focus is spread out like this, you're not going to get the results. But again, if you started your coaching business and you just committed and saying, you know what, I am going to grow a YouTube channel and I'm going to grow a coaching business by growing my YouTube channel. And then I'm going to monetize that channel and grow the company, sign clients, make money. And I'm going to commit to doing that for a minimum 2 years. And I'm not going to look anywhere else. And here's what happens. You put your focus into that YouTube channel and look how much further you get. Because that's the key. That's the secret. It is being able to be disciplined enough to ignore the shiny objects, to ignore the different opportunities that get presented to you on a daily basis with friggin' social media. It is about learning how to say no to different things so you can just focus. And it was when I realized that this was the key that I felt so stupid and I was so annoyed with myself. And it was back then when I had failed after different business model after different business model. I just basically had to have a strong word with myself in the mirror and be like, Sam, look, the business model isn't the issue. You are the issue. You are the common denominator across all of these failed businesses. You can see people every single day succeeding online with all of these different business models. You've tried them all and they've all failed for you. So therefore, you are the issue. And I encourage you to do the same. Put your ego to the fucking side and look at yourself in the mirror and ask yourself the question, are you the problem? Because I guarantee if you haven't got the results that you desire, then you are the freaking problem. So maybe it's time for you to have that long, hard look in the mirror, have a conversation with yourself and say to yourself, have I really been putting the focus, time, effort, and energy into one vehicle to be able to see the results that I desire? So if you can learn to focus and direct your energy into one path, then I guarantee that is a secret to earning the money that you want. So that's it. That's the end of the video. I suppose this is the time where I ask you to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and say that I will see you on the next one.